Who fell in the packing peanut box? Who fell in the packing peanut box?
My head coach did. Alright, come out the box before you eat one.
He's not gonna eat any. He's smarter than that. He fell in the packing peanut box.
See, he said now, get him out the packing peanut box. Your video was done. Money!
Fine.